Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about that how we can export a schedule view in from Revit to spreadsheet. So for that I'll go in my Dynamo player. Right here you can see export schedule. I'll go for input of this this Dynamo script and it will be open soon. Yeah, so right now we have to give the path of the spreadsheet. So I'll browse it and will give the spreadsheet spreadsheet file path in which I want to export this data from Revit. So I'm just selecting this one and open it. Already opened that schedule view. You can see right here, just hold on, you can see that we do not have any data right here. So I wanted to place all the data from Revit to this schedule view. So I'll just minimize this one for now and will click my schedule view which I wanted to export. Right here you can see all those schedule views. So I'm going for level 2 HVAC zone schedule. So I'll click on that and will run the Dynamo script. It is completed. Now if I'll open my spreadsheet, you can see that we have kind of all those data in spreadsheet format. We can arrange now as we want this data in spreadsheet. So that's our Dynamo script that will work. So let's see that how our Dynamo script is working. So for that I'll go for the script. It's opening. Yeah, I think it's opened. So right here we can see that we need schedule views and then schedule from get data and then this node data export schedule. So right here we can see file path and we have used the sheet tab, we can say, of that particular spreadsheet, and we are overwriting every time when we are exporting the data in different formats. So that's how we can use that spreadsheet for the script for importing for the exporting purpose only from Revit to spreadsheet data. In my next video we'll see that how we can import spreadsheet data from spreadsheet to Revit by Dynamo. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video.